name's Grace Webb and I'm a judge on the magnificent train journey competition. Transport for Wales wants to inspire children and young people to travel in a greener way. So they've asked the children of Wales and its borders to name their new trains. I've come to the facility in Newport where lots of the trains are being put together, and our lucky winners will have the chance to adopt these trains as they're built and see the names on the side of the trains for years to come. I'm so excited to show you these trains and to reveal the first winners of the competition. Thank you to everyone who entered, and look out for the trains on a track near you.